Silver stacker cashes out his retirement for silver, but he did it wrong. Everyone needs to learn this lesson. Oh, first, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they're holding this contest. It's a lot of fun. Click that link. It's free. You should be the next winner. I was at my local coin shop this morning, and I watched a customer in front of me pick up 3 monster boxes of silver. This is about one tube. Here's a full tube. This is about one tube. A monster box has 25 of these, and he was picking up 3. I wish I could have videotaped this and interviewed this customer, but local dealers really frown upon YouTubers interviewing their customers. Most people want to remain anonymous when it comes to precious metals. Now, I did talk to this man, and what he told me is, well, first he had planned this. He had come in a week prior, of course, and he'd ordered these 3 monster boxes to be picked up. He told me the main reason he's going to silver is he just felt uncertain, like we all are. No one can fight that. Everyone feels uncertain these days. He feels uncertain about the markets. He feels uncertain about the stock market. He feels uncertain about what's coming down the pike 6 months from now, tariffs, everything. So he's pulling out his funds and he's putting it into silver. Interestingly, he chose silver and not gold. And I tried to get a reasoning from him, his opinion as to why he chose silver, because this is a large amount of money. 3 monster boxes. He just said that he likes the idea of small denominations, and that's as far as he would go. But if you ask me, my opinion, I would have, if I'm putting that much money and how gold is performing presently, I would have gone for gold. So he goes for silver. And the part that really made me very surprised is that when he chose the silver to buy, these are rounds that I'm just holding in my hand while I'm talking. These are silver rounds, generic silver rounds. But he didn't choose rounds. He also did not choose American Silver Eagles. I'm telling you this story from the United States. And he's in the United States. He did not choose American Silver Eagles. He chose maple leafs. And again, this is my opinion. I feel that if you're going to go all in like that, and you're going to be purchasing 3 monster boxes of silver, it should be the sovereign silver of the country that you're living in. He just said that he likes maple leafs. That's it. Kind of eccentric. He likes maple leafs. So he went all in on maple leafs instead of American Silver Eagles. Now, if you've been stacking for 5, 10 years, then you've had this experience. There's many local coin shops that will give you a hard time when you're cashing out your silver. Typically, generic rounds, they'll give you, the buyback will be below spot, of course. But American Silver Eagles also, it'll be below spot. But there's a difference. When you go to sell this silver back, most local coin shops will, the only way I can explain this is they'll kind of give you a hard time. They need to make as much of a margin as they can, right? They're trying to make some money. It's a business. And one thing that I've heard often, and I know I'm not alone. Again, if you've been stacking for a long time, you've heard this. Some dealers will use this excuse that, maple leafs are not as, the demand for maple leafs here in the United States, they're not as strong as if you're in Canada, because it's the coin of Canada. So they won't give you as much money for it. And this customer that I'm telling you, this man, this silver stacker, just bought 3 boxes of maples here in the United States. So that's just my opinion, and it's my experience. You might have had the same experience. If you're going to put that much money into a precious metal, it really should be the most liquid. I'm not saying that he should have bought American Silver Eagles. I just know from experience that many local dealers will use they want any amount of leverage they can get to make more money. Of course, it's a business. I'm not blaming them. It's a business. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. I love this contest. It's free. You should be the next winner on that list.